The day before yesterday, we looked at the passive voice. So, today, we are going to practice it in real conversation. Why don't you join me? Oh, look at that building! Isn't it amazing? Who was it built by?
It says it was built by Frank Gehry, the famous Canadian-American architect.
I think it was built in 1997. Bilbao was being transformed at that time from an industrial to a modern city.
He has been given many prizes for his buildings, which are all designed in the most fantastic shapes and sizes.
All of his buildings have become tourist sites. People travel from around all the world just to see them. Come on, let's go in. As you can see, we can use the passive voice in ordinary conversation. So try practicing using it in conversation. You can always make a passive sentence if your sentence has an object. Let me know if you need any more help by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.